Ever wondered if there's a secret weapon for small businesses to streamline their communication and look more professional without breaking the bank? What if I told you that such a tool exists, seamlessly integrated with a popular platform designed to simplify your entrepreneurial journey? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into what is ZenBusiness email? A feature that could be a game changer for your brand. In the bustling world of startups and small enterprises, every advantage counts. You're juggling product development, marketing, customer service, and 1,000 other things. The last thing you need is a clunky email system that screams, amateur hour. Imagine sending emails from a generic Gmail or Yahoo address when your competitors are using sleek, branded addresses that instantly convey credibility. It's a subtle difference, but in the competitive landscape, subtlety can make all the difference. This isn't just about appearances. It's about efficiency, professionalism, and building trust with your clients and partners from the very first interaction. So, let's set the scene. You've just registered your business, perhaps with a platform known for its ease of use and comprehensive services. You're excited, full of ideas, and ready to conquer the market. But then you hit a snag. How do you manage your business correspondence effectively? How do you create an email address that reflects your brand, like info@yourcompany.com, instead of your company name 123@gmail.com? This is where the power of integrated solutions truly shines, and it's precisely where ZenBusiness steps in to offer a solution that's both elegant and practical. ZenBusiness, for those unfamiliar, is a well-regarded platform that helps entrepreneurs navigate the complexities of business formation, compliance, and growth. They've built a reputation for simplifying what can often be an overwhelming process, making it accessible to anyone with a great idea and the drive to succeed. They offer everything from LLC formation to registered agent services, and crucially, they understand that a professional online presence is paramount for any modern business. And that's where ZenBusiness Email comes into play as an integral part of their comprehensive suite of services. At its core, ZenBusiness Email isn't a standalone email service provider like Gmail or Outlook. Instead, it's a professional email solution designed to be seamlessly integrated with your business's domain name, which you typically acquire when you set up your website or through services like ZenBusiness itself. Think of it this way. When you register your business name and secure your domain, ZenBusiness provides you with the capability to create email addresses that use that very domain. This means instead of generic, free email accounts, you get addresses like yourname@yourcompany.com or sales@yourcompany.com. This immediate shift from generic to branded instantly elevates your business's perceived professionalism and trustworthiness. But what does this integration actually mean for you? It means convenience. Instead of managing separate accounts and subscriptions for your business formation, website, and email, ZenBusiness brings it all under one roof. This unified approach simplifies administration, reduces the likelihood of forgotten passwords or overlooked renewals, and generally makes your life as a business owner a lot easier. Imagine having one dashboard where you can manage your legal documents, track your compliance needs, and also set up and manage your professional email accounts. It's a significant time saver, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits. Firstly, professionalism. This is arguably the most immediate and impactful benefit. A custom domain email address signals to clients, partners, and even potential investors that you are a legitimate, established entity. It builds trust and credibility, which are invaluable assets in today's competitive market. Would you rather do business with johnsmith123@yahoo.com or john.smith@acmesolutions.com? The answer is almost always the latter. Secondly, branding and marketing. Every email you send becomes a subtle marketing opportunity. Your domain name, prominently featured in your email address, reinforces your brand identity with every communication. It's consistent, professional, and memorable. It helps to embed your brand in the minds of your recipients, building recognition and recall over time. Thirdly, security and reliability. While ZenBusiness Email itself isn't a full-fledged email client, it typically leverages the power of established, secure email providers. This means you benefit from their robust security features, spam filtering, and high deliverability rates. You can rest assured that your important business communications are being sent and received securely and reliably, minimizing the risk of emails going astray or falling into the wrong hands. Fourthly, scalability. As your business grows, so too will your communication needs. ZenBusiness email solutions are typically designed to be scalable, allowing you to easily add new email accounts for new employees or departments as your team expands. This flexibility is crucial for businesses that are on a growth trajectory, ensuring that your email infrastructure can keep pace with your evolving needs. And finally, integration with other tools. While ZenBusiness provides the email setup, it's often designed to integrate seamlessly with popular email clients and productivity suites like Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, or Microsoft 365. This means you get the best of both worlds. The ease of setup and domain integration from ZenBusiness, combined with the powerful features and familiarity of your preferred email platform, including shared calendars, cloud storage, and collaborative documents. This allows you to maintain your workflow and leverage the tools you're already comfortable with, simply by associating them with your professional domain. So, how does one get ZenBusiness email? It's typically offered as an add-on service or included in some of their more comprehensive business formation packages. When you're setting up your LLC or corporation with ZenBusiness, they'll guide you through the process of selecting a domain name if you don't already have one, and then offer the option to set up professional email addresses tied to that domain. The process is usually straightforward, designed for entrepreneurs who may not have extensive technical knowledge. It's about making professional communication accessible and hassle-free. In essence, ZenBusiness email is more than just an email address. It's a statement of intent. It tells the world that you're serious about your business, that you pay attention to detail, and that you're committed to building a professional brand. In an era where online presence is paramount, having a branded email address is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for any aspiring business owner. It's about building trust, enhancing your brand, and streamlining your operations, all within the ecosystem of a platform designed to support your entrepreneurial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.